Good morning, all trader. Today is January 24, 2022. So when we look at on the screen, we can tell everything is grass because the reason for the grass is, in the system process. And a lot of the companies is like a big one, like a Netflix, ECL, Facebook, Tesla's, Amazon, Microsoft, Walgreens, DVN, CNRC, BA, TXT, APA. A lot of them like a big one, like a monster in the stock industry, is getting really, really red because that's like the economy went down. That's really, really big reason for the Dow Jones lost 450 point, Nasdaq lost 385 point, and SP 500 lost 84 point because last night last night SP 500 lost 70 some, and this morning is 84.79, and all the sectors show consumer kind of 50-50, and utility 53.57, and real estate 68. 68 mean they're going to go down because the rate to gain is just 46%, but the percent to loss is 68. And consumer directionary is 71, and healthcare 77, and industries is 81, and community service 87, and information technology 92, energy 96, materials 96, and financials 96. And performance is today's kind of really, really red. I recommend you should buy really, really slow and small share to be safe, because compared with like a financial, as material, energy, the information technology, and communication service industries, healthcare, consumer directionary, real estate, utility, consumer staples, everything is went down, especially we can tell just only current. As current went up, current being kind of went down in the whole years. How do I know that? Because current especially today, went up like 15 to 168 points. It's going to higher this morning. And this season, in this week, it's going to 143 point to 212 at least. So they say the current going to be 0.88% higher, because it's kind of like a crop season on the market. Remember, it's not on the real eye. That's why we say we got like some kind of traditional work with the stock industry. And especially in March, it went down 120 point. In May, that's went down on 117 point. In December 27 is went down 98 8 point. And please, I recommend like everyone should do the research for the current stock. You do the research by yourself. That's be better because you will gain your knowledge by researching. And especially today, the market overviews really get a lot of stuff. Everything like really red today. The economy went down, and in France, like investing for the restaurant, the Pharaoh meeting, we got a lot of stuff that's going on. But anyway, now we come back with FVCB, the FVCB bankrupt. So when the FVCP is about 13 to 21, it's not that bad, but that range around 19. But we should buy around 19 down to 18. Because this on the financial company, especially any financial company or bank or credit card company, is holding their value really, really well because they let a lot of people borrow money, and especially they pay really high for the insurance, the financial insurance. The inside financial insurance, you got like 5 different small ones. And especially this one, we can take a look. Usually, the value hold around 18 to 20. The whole really, really good straight up value. If you can use the sector and you can click inside individual every of them, and we can see the sector show really the column inside the sector show really good. They at least 3 or more than 3. Because on the screen we can tell it's like fully perfect green, because this one hold really, really good strong buy from April to July to October. So from now, especially January, went up so good. And by the way, we got a lot of the stock gain today. It's like the AVE gained 30.25%. That means it's gained $2, and they cost like $9.43. CFV gained 30%. VMAC gained 25%, MYNZ gained 16%, FNGD gained 14%, CINC gained 13%, PTON gained 11%. A lot of them gained at least. You can take a look at the screenshot on the chart and take a look each of them, especially VPG and KPTI gain just around 7%, but it's like when each of them, like TREP is cost just $8 and the AVE just cost $9. And KPTI costs $8. You should focus on the small one, small cost. Even though the gain is like 7 to 10%, but anyway, and especially it's really super good, strong buy on the market. You can focus on today is BANR, CIGI, FVC, HPAN, and ETN, TBK, TRUK, GB, and especially those companies, really, really good recommendation from the system, especially from the sector and the tech number. So thank you very much and have a good day. Get good research, good profits.